Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to give you the demo of this application I-beam seating plate with Stub. This is one of the common connections that we use it in the residential projects. Let me walk you through how this application works. I'm going to apply this component to U, B and C section. Select the component and pick the primary member and then the secondary member. You can see it will automatically create the connection here. And this is where you can change the base plate, primary stiffener and secondary stiffener properties. And this is the stub profile. And if you don't want to create the base plate, you can select no option here and modify so that this will be directly welded to the primary member. Let me change this option to yes and modify. And this is for creating the stiffener. You can create the stiffener near side, far side or both the sides. So if you're adding this component to UB section, so in that case, you can choose either near or far or both. Now you can choose the different options and set the chamfer values. If you want to offset this stub, you can enter the distance here. For example, just to show you, I'll make it 100 and let me go to the bolt and fix this one. So I'm going to the bolt. The distance is 200 and modify this. Let me go back to the stiffener 2. This is for the secondary member and you can change the option again near, far or both, and you can offset it from the middle. For example, let me type 100 and modify. And this one for moving the near side and the other one for moving the far side. You can also add holes, so change the size and create either near, far or both. And then you can enter the distance for the hole and number of holes, and then you can set the distance from the plate top to the first bolt, and this is for the edge distance. So let me type it 50 here and select and modify this. Let me make it 30. And if you want to add chamfers, you can add chamfers by entering the distance here. So the other scenario where you don't want to add the stub just to connect these two members, in that case, what I will do is, let me select the primary and secondary. And then once you open the component properties, I'll go and change this option to no and modify it so that it will remove the stub and then it will keep only the seating plate. Let me apply this connection to UB sections. Select the primary and secondary and then double click and open the component. Change this option to yes and modify. So I need 2 bolts here. Let me go to the bolt section, type 2 and modify this. Now I'm going to change the plate width. So here it is. As you can see, this application has got all the options that you need. So if you have any question, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.